Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to another Facebook account on your iPhone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. First unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Open the Facebook. Tap the Facebook app to open it. Step 3. Go to the menu. In the bottom right corner, tap the menu icon with the 3 lines. Step 4. Log out of the current account. Scroll down, then confirm by tapping log out of it. Step 5. Return to login screen. After logging out, you will be taken back to the Facebook login screen. Step 6. Tap login into another account. Tap login into another account or login. Step 7. Enter the new account details. Tap in the email address or phone number for the other Facebook account, then enter the password. Step 8. Tap login. Tap the login button and wait a moment. Step 9. Complete security checks. If Facebook asks for a code or confirmation, follow the on-screen instruction. Step 10. You are logged in. Once the home feed loads, you are now logged into the new Facebook account. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.